Robert Gunnarsson is one of my favorite line players. He's one of the best in the world, I think. My dream is to play with him in the national team or some team.
I think the style is way different than the other ones. I think maybe they have to get used to him to play, you know, in the same. I mean, on the court. Would be nice if they could catch up with him because he's really fast.
Yeah, just one word: fantastic players and fantastic guys as well.
They are two of the best players that we have in Spain, and I really hope that they will help us to go to the second phase, and maybe we can play against France and also Denmark in this atmosphere that is amazing in this championship.
He catches everything, every ball who go on the line, it's his, and all his twists and turns, and he's incredible.
Sierra es un portero increíble y Antonio, vamos, extremo, yo creo que es de los top de Europa.
Yeah, he's really good. I play the same position as him, so I hope one day I will take his place in the national team and maybe PSG.
Let's go Spain, vamos España!
Go Iceland, áfram Ísland, nothing else.
Áfram Ísland!
Gyerekek, mindent vele, nagyon jók vagytok, szurkolunk nektek, és csütörtökön is itt leszünk, és mindent bele, hajrá magyarok!
¡Ánimo España!
Hispanos, vamos a por el campeonato.
Vamos a ganar!
Áfram Ísland, kom og svo vinna hennar leik.